Ahoy, mateys! I'm Captain Hill.
I'm Pirate Harrison.
Last Friday, all students were out of school for a day of service. We asked you to let us know what you did on that day for serving your neighbors, your community, whatever. So, Logan B. raked leaves for a neighbor while Claire H. and Aiden C. cleaned up branches and debris from Hurricane Zeta.
I wasn't sure which hurricane, we've had so many, but what wonderful news that they contacted us and let us know what they did. So let us hear from you. If you would like to share pictures, email them to me in Schoology or my teacher's email, or you can email me your teacher's Schoology account, and I'll get them either way. You may get a shout out on WBEC also.
That's right. Bear is participating in ADEM's recycling challenge is ongoing. It is still ongoing. You may have noticed the huge, and I do mean huge, green container in Bear's back parking lot. Sort your recyclables before putting them in the bin.
And now on to Bear's Read for the Challenge. Continue to drop your forms in my box or the one down in the library. Virtual students can email their form to your teacher. Your teacher makes sure I get them. You can email them to me. We know we can get them some way or another. We'll get them, and I'll print them out, and we'll make sure that you declare for your team. That's the biggest mistake a lot of people do. They don't decide whether they're Alabama, Auburn, and those are the only two choices this time. Remember that.
That's right, because those are the bookmarks that you get.
Yeah.
All forms will go into a drawing for treat bags. One for Alabama and one for Auburn. Contest ends November 18th. Winners will be announced on WBEC Thursday, November 19th.
So today the galley is serving up hot diggity dogs or deli sandwiches. Side include chips, like I want maybe Frito-Lays or...
Don't be choosy.
Okay, all right. Also includes a veggie cup and fruit. Don't forget that milk. It always does a body good.
Yes, it does. The thought for the day comes from Louis L'Amour, noted American novelist of Western stories, who said, "To make a democracy work, we must be a nation of participants, not simply observers."
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance, and then let's pause for a moment of quiet reflection.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Set your sails
Look to the North Star
and fair winds for learning.